Hey, thanks for coming in. I'm going to take you through how to use the text direct, and we'll just get right into it. We'll minimize myself down here. So the very first thing that you're going to see here, this is the actual title of the redirect. Now, what you're going to be putting in here, this is the information that's going to be going whenever you share out this text image. It's going to be the information inside of the actual Facebook link image. So this is going to be the title for that. And then this is going to be the description that also gets shared out inside of Facebook and the other Twitter and Google+, even Pinterest. So we're going to go ahead and go next. Now this is the URL that when someone clicks on the actual image inside of Facebook, Twitter, Google+, where it gets redirected to. Please make sure to include the HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning of the URL. Now let's say someone goes to the link, they see what you see, and they want to back out and go back to Facebook. Well, we can control where they go here, so we can actually tell them a different URL to go to. And that's what we're doing here. And click Next. Now this is where the fun part comes in. Now you're going to be able to start designing the way your actual text image looks. So this is going to be the background color. And this one I'm going to make it bright red. There we go. Now go up to the very top. Make it a bright red. Click Next. Now this is the actual font color. Since that's bright red, I'm probably going to be doing a little bit darker black. And go Next. Now this is the actual font size. 60 is usually the best size, largest, but I'm going to go a little bit further down because I'm going to be typing out a little bit more. Click Next. And then well, let me go back just for a second. Yep. That likes to have underwear on his head. Andy likes it. That's the actual third line. So you have 3 lines here. You have a top line, middle line, and a bottom line. And go ahead and click Next. Now if you wanted to type in your Twitter information for sharing out on Twitter, you can. Don't use the @ symbol. It's just going to be whatever your Twitter handle is. And then of course site ID, most people it's the same. And then whatever domain that you're going to be using it on, you must be approved, of course. And then if you have a Facebook custom audience ID, you can have that there. Then click Finish. So now this is what the image is going to look like when it gets shared out. You can see exactly what it looks like. So if you like it, just scroll down here to the bottom, copy this information. You can save it to Notepad and then save it as an HTML page and then upload it to your server. Or you can use the WP Inserts plugin, which is exclusive to Society 11 members. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. And we just copy the code here. Come back over here. We're going to paste it in. And I'm going to choose Update. And then what I'm going to do as soon as it's finished updating, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. Now I have a Facebook debugger link here, and I'm just going to fetch it anew because the image changed from one to another. So there it is. I know a guy that likes to have underwears on his head. Andy likes it. So that is it. So I hope you enjoy it, get to use it quite a bit, and enjoy. Thanks.